What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a juicy, oh so delicious, very flavorful cilantro lime baked chicken. Guys, this is off the hinges. You're going to love it, and I'm about to show you how it's done. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. All right, to begin, I have a handful of chopped cilantro. I didn't really measure it. I just took a big old handful and chopped it up. Next, we're gonna drop our dry seasoning mix into that cilantro. On the screen, as you've seen, I had a list of everything you need to season up your chicken proper. Moving on, we're gonna get the zest off of these limes. Yes, we did wash these limes already, and we're just gonna zest them up, get all that zest, and we're gonna toss that right into that mix as well. Moving on, you want to go ahead and slice your limes in half. Grab yourself a lemon squeezer. If you don't have one, you can just squeeze the juice out by hand, and we're just gonna drop all that juice into our mixture just like so, guys. And that cilantro just adds so much character, so much depth to this flavor profile, guys. You're gonna absolutely enjoy this recipe, I can promise you that. And this is such a easy dinner to get ready. It takes almost no effort at all, guys. So easy. Once you have your limes juiced out and into the mix, you want to go ahead and grab some olive oil. I went ahead and drizzled little by little, grabbed the spoon and kind of, stirred it around. You want to kind of get a loose consistency, not too much oil, but not too little where it's all dry. You do want it to be kind of loose. You know what I'm talking about. You're gonna see the consistency I'm talking about towards the end, but you want to just continue adding a little bit of olive oil at a time until you have a consistency looking something like this, guys. Now you're gonna grab your quarter chicken. I'm using 3 of them bad boys. And I'm just gonna take that mix and just go crazy and rub it all up on this chicken. Try to get in all the cracks and crevices. Get this chicken well coated, guys. You know the motto, guys. You know what it is. I mean, I don't even have to tell you because you already know. Ain't no bland chicken over her whatsoever at all, guys. You know how we rock on this channel. So like I said, we're gonna be generous with this whole seasoning mix, and we're just gonna generously coat up this chicken until it's nice and well coated on both sides. And if you can, it is a great idea to let this sit in the fridge for at least a couple hours if you can. If you can't, you could go ahead and, bypass that step and go ahead and toss it in the oven. But yes, we did went ahead and covered this with saran wrap, refrigerated it for a couple of hours. Once we're done refrigerating this chicken, you want to pull it out and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We are going to cook this chicken at 350 for about 1 hour, guys. In the meantime, while our chicken is almost done, we're gonna go ahead and get some veggies going. I went ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil in my pan at about a medium to medium high. I tossed in some baby carrots as well as some green beans, and to season it up, I just took, a couple all-purpose seasonings that I had in the cabinets, Slap Your Mama seasoning, as well as some Creole seasoning, and I did end up drizzling a little bit of soy sauce as well, guys. And you want to just keep this cooking just for a couple of minutes, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes, until your veggies have the consistency you're looking for. I like mine with a little bit of crunch left in them, so that's how I cook mine. So at this point, my veggies are just about done. You can also pair up like a side of rice with this as well. And you can use that same method as far as the veggies and throw some broccoli or kind of whatever that you like in there as well. So this is how your chicken should look once they're fully cooked and done. I did went ahead and took a little bit of that juice from the bottom of the pan and drizzled it on top of our chicken just to have it looking so delicious. But this is the end result, guys. Beautiful, juicy, well cooked cilantro lime baked chicken, guys. Man, there's not a lot I can say, but yum. This is good, guys. You're going to enjoy it, and can't wait for you to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.